Hello my dear students, class 8th. These are your NCERT solutions, chapter number 15, some natural phenomena. Select the correct option in questions 1 and 2. Question number 1 is, which of the following cannot be charged easily by friction? You have to tell here, इनमें से कौन सी ऑप्शन ऐसी है जिसको हम फ्रिक्शन से चार्ज नहीं कर सकते, यानी जो हम रबिंग का प्रोसेस करते हैं उससे उसके ऊपर चार्ज नहीं आता. ए पार्ट अ प्लास्टिक स्केल, बी पार्ट अ कॉपर रॉड, सी पार्ट एन इन्फ्लेटेड बैलून एंड डी पार्ट अ वुलन क्लोथ्स. तो बेटा प्लास्टिक स्केल, इन्फ्लेटेड बैलून और वुलन क्लोथ्स को अगर हम रब करेंगे तो हम इसको फ्रिक्शन के थ्रू चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जो ये आपकी मेटल रॉड है, कॉपर रॉड, दिस कैनॉट बी चार्ज्ड इजीली बाय फ्रिक्शन. बी ऑप्शन इज राइट वन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk or cloth, the rod and the cloth both acquire positive charge? No. Becomes positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge? Yes, this one is right. Now next is write T against true and F against false in the following statements. A part is like charges attract each other. This is totally false. A charged glass rod attract a charged plastic straw. Yes, because objects are different, it is true. Lightning conductor cannot protect a building from lightning. This is false. Earthquakes can be predicted in advance. Again, it is false. We cannot predict earthquakes in advance. They are unpredictable. Now next is question number 4. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters. Explain. यानी कि क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है आपसे कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि क्रैकलिंग साउंड हमें सुनाई देती है जब हम स्वेटर टेक ऑफ करते हैं, खोलते हैं विंटर्स में. ऐसा क्यों होता है उसे एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो इसको हम इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. देयर इज इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्चार्ज between the body and the sweater. इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्चार्ज होता है बॉडी और स्वेटर के बीच में, which causes due to friction or rubbing. Hence the energy released or produced is in the form of crackling sound. Clear? Next is question number 5. Explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अगर हम चार्ज बॉडी को टच करें तो उसका जो चार्ज है हमारी बॉडी में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है बिकॉज आवर बॉडी, यानी कि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, ह्यूमन बॉडी की, is a good conductor of electricity. Therefore, a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. Again, from our body, it goes to the earth. Now next is question number 6. Name the scale on which the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured. That scale is Richter scale. Is used to measure destructive energy of an earthquake. An earthquake measures 3 on this scale. Would it be recorded by a seismograph? Yes. It would be recorded in seismograph, because in a seismograph there is 1 to 10 scale for recording. Is it likely to cause much damage? No. It is not likely to cause much damage, क्योंकि बच्चों डैमेज कब होता है? above 5 and more damage above 7. मैं यहाँ पे आपको मेंशन कर देती हूँ. above 5 there is chance of destruction. और बहुत क्रिटिकल होता है above 7. It is very critical. A huge loss to life and property. Now next is question number 7. Suggest 3 measures to protect ourselves from lightning. Number 1 is after hearing the sound of thunderstorm, get inside the shelter. Number 2, unplug the electrical switches or connections and avoid bathing during thunderstorm. Why? Because running water is a good conductor of electricity. Because running water is good conductor of electricity, there may be the chances of electric current. Now next is explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon, whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. Because we know that charged balloons have created like charges, so they repel. But when an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon due to unlike charges, because we know unlike charges attract each other. Okay, now with the help of diagram, these are the rubbed balloons. They go far away because like charges repel, and this is a balloon which is charged and this is a balloon which is uncharged. It attracts toward this side and this attracts toward this side, because this is the case of unlike charges, they attract each other. This is the case of like charges, they repel each other. Now next one is question number 9. Describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. So your diagram is like this. Take one empty bottle of jam, cover it with a cardboard having a hole, then through this hole put one metal strip made up of aluminium foil inside the jam bottle. Then two metal paper clips were hanging over here. Now look what happens when you bring a charged riffle and touch this aluminium metal coil. What happens? The same charge passes through this metal rod and then it passes to the metal paper clips, and due to like charges they repel each other. They repel each other. This apparatus is known as electroscope and it is used to detect whether the object is charged or not. Now what is the application? When charged riffle touch with the aluminium rod, the same charge passes down to the metal paper clips and because of like charges they repel each other. Hence, repulsion proves that the object is charged. In this way, we can find out the charged objects. Next one is list 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Number 1, Jammu and Kashmir. In 8 October 2005, recently earthquake is observed. Number 2, recently earthquake. Then Bhuj in 26th Jan 2001. It is in Gujarat state. One is Jammu and Kashmir, other is Gujarat, and third one is Rajasthan. These are the states where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Question number 11. Suppose you are outside your home and an earthquake strikes. What precaution would you take to protect yourself? Lie down on the ground. If you are in open, avoid the shelter of tall trees, buildings, and last one is if you are in a vehicle, then drive slowly. Do not come outside. Next one is your last question. The weather department has predicted that a thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Suppose you have to go out on that day. What you carry? Would you carry an umbrella? No. Answer is no. Why? Umbrella is not safe during thunderstorm because it consists of a metal rod which is good conductor of electricity. Hence, we may have an electric current risk. Okay, these are your NCERT questions. At last, like always, thanks for your patience, thanks for your support, thanks for your love. Comment करना ना भूलें because your comment means a lot to me. Thanks note. God help those who help themselves. So believe in yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.